the new non-injectable arterial connector from Amdal Medical. As the arrows show, the non-injectable connector allows you to sample as normal. However, if someone tries to inject into the connector, the internal valve prevents this from happening and anything entering the bloodstream. Attach the connector to the three-way tap and turn in a clockwise direction until locked in place. Attach syringes by applying pressure to push the luer tip through the blue stop valve and turn clockwise to secure, and then remove dead space and aspirate as normal. Using a fresh syringe, flush via transducer until clear fluid is observed. Ensure the syringe does not fill completely. Once this is done, turn the stopcock to the closed position. Amdal Medical, making arterial lines safer for everyone.